Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about how to take input from the user. In previous tutorial you can see I was taking input from the code itself. I was doing hard coded. I was not taking input from the user. So taking input from user, what does it mean? Let me create first one class. So what I am going to do here, previously I was writing some value here. Okay, now I'm not going to write this value here. I'm going to write println. I'm asking the user to enter a value. Then I'm creating one variable is equal to scanner input. I'll take input is equal to scanner open bracket system dot in. Okay, and now println when a is equal to input dot to has next int, and now going to print this value. The value is $a. It is asking me to enter the value, so I am entering 20. Hit enter. The value is 20. So now you understood how to take input from the user. In many applications we have seen the age or name. So suppose enter your age. So here you can write my age is, and let me run the program. Enter your age. Enter your age. I am writing 23. My age is 23. So in same place, if you somebody want to ask enter your name. Enter your name. Enter your name. Input. Read line. Here you can directly print. My name is input. Enter your name. So my name is Namaste Coder. This string you can directly, this kind you can take input. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this tutorial.